Hello, friends, and thank you so much for joining me for this quick, easy, and efficient practice where we will relax the body, the mind, and create a world of inner peace. We will start our practice in an easy seated position, first starting to connect with the breath, making each inhale and each exhale just a little bit longer. Through the power of our breath, we should start to feel more connected to our body. So doing a quick body scan, let's first check in with the knees and the hips, making sure that you are allowing them to open and relax and release. We will then check in with our tailbone, making sure that it is nice and solidly connected with the earth. And from there, our spine should grow nice and long and tall. Our shoulders should be back in their pockets, and the crown of our head should be actively reaching towards the sky. Remember to let go of any thoughts that are no longer serving you and to keep connecting with your breath. On your next exhale, completely empty your lungs, and then we will inhale our fingers to the sky, actively shooting energy through your fingertips and then clasping at the top, finding a little back bend. We will then exhale, release our left hand to our mat, finding a side stretch. Making sure that both cheeks stay evenly connected with the earth here, and then filling your side body with air, finding a stretch from your right hip all the way to your right fingertips. Keep staying with your powerful yoga breath and keep your mind here. Then exhale, emptying your lungs completely, and then inhale your fingers up towards the sky, finding another back bend with your hands clasped, and then we will drop our right hand to the mat, finding a stretch on the other side, keeping an even connection with the earth and your tailbone, and then breathing through your side body to increase and find beauty in this stretch and in this present moment. You've got this. Now emptying your lungs completely and then inhaling to center, we will now exhale, folding over our hips, reaching out in front of us. Remembering that no matter where you are today, the most important part is that you are here. Here we will use our breath to surrender into the pose and into this moment just a little bit more. Using your inhales to find length, maybe reaching just a little bit more forward, and using your exhales to go deeper into this position. On your next exhale, empty your lungs completely, and then as you inhale, we will roll vertebrae by vertebrae to a straight spine, taking your time. Once you've reached the top, inhale your fingers up towards the sky, and then exhale them down by your side. We will now switch out our legs, bringing the leg in front to the back and the leg in back to the front. Now inhale your hands up towards the sky, and then as we exhale, we will fold over our hips. The importance of this switch resides in balance, making sure that both sides get the same amount of attention and love. Again, here we will use our breath to benefit us in this position, finding length in your inhales and releasing, relaxing, and letting go in your exhales. Now emptying your lungs completely on an exhale and slowly rolling to a straight spine on an inhale. Inhaling your hands to the sky, and as you exhale, finding prayer hands at heart center. Taking a moment here to reflect on the beautiful energy that we have created within ourselves. On your next inhale, we will shoot our fingers up towards the sky and exhale them down by our sides, making our way into a tabletop position. First, checking in with our alignment, making sure our wrists are stacked under our shoulders and our knees under our hips. We will now take some cat-cow. So as you exhale, actively press the earth away from you and reach your shoulders up towards the sky, dropping your head and your neck towards your chest. Emptying your lungs completely, and as you inhale, finding your cow position, dropping your belly towards the mat, shooting your chest towards the front of the room, and looking up towards the sky. Continue to sync breath with movement, dropping your belly on an inhale and rounding up on an exhale. This time is now yours, so use it freely. If you need more time here, feel free to pause the video. If you're ready to move on, we will make our way into a plank position, option to find a half plank with your knees on the ground. We will take a big inhale, and as you exhale, you will shoot your hips towards the sky, finding your downward facing dog. Option here to find a calf stretch by bending one knee at a time. Remember to press evenly through all 10 fingertips and to stay with your breath. You've got this. Now taking a big inhale together here. And as we exhale, we will slowly lower our knees to the mat and then bring our hips towards our heels, finding our child's pose. Taking a big inhale and reaching your fingertips just a little bit more forward, and then as you exhale, taking your hands over to your right side to find a side stretch. Here you can again use your inhales to fill your side body, finding a stretch from your left hip to your left fingertips. Now taking a big inhale, and as you exhale, returning to center, taking another inhale, reaching your fingertips forward, and on an exhale, taking your hands over to your left side, filling your right side body and staying with this beautiful moment. Now taking a complete inhale, and as you exhale, returning to center. Big inhale, reaching forward. And as you exhale, reverse cat your way back to a tabletop position. We will now make our way to an easy seated position. Doing a quick body scan once you are here, checking in with your hips, your tailbone, and your spine, making sure your posture is nice and strong. We will now close today's practice by taking a few cleansing breaths together. So inhale, reach your fingertips up towards the sky. And exhale them down by your side. Again, inhale, reaching up, shooting energy through your fingertips, releasing this beautiful energy out into the earth, and exhale them down by your side. Once more, inhale, reaching up. And as you exhale, finding prayer hands at heart center. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. The light within me sees and honors the light within you. Namaste.